So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Gravity Forms WordPress plugin in just $5 with lifetime update and all the add-ons, all A to Z, all add-ons. So I'm gonna purchase this and I will install it in my website. So here you have to fill your basic details. Now if you are a developer or if you want to purchase multiple products, then you can go for membership. This will cost you cheap. Now after the payment will be done, we'll see this Gravity Forms. uh, this one is the main plugin file. Now you see all of this, these are add-ons which you can add. Now if you have purchased from any other site, then most probably you will not get all of this, but we are providing all of this in just, it will be like $5. So I'll install it and I will show you. Plugins, install. Now you see this, it's done. You see, it's done. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it.